Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best griddle spatulas is probably one of the most important tools for achieving perfectly cooked food on your flat-top griddle, and in this video, we will explore the top picks for various cooking needs, from flipping delicate pancakes to expertly maneuvering large cuts of meat. We will examine various features, including the spatula's material, size, shape, and overall design, to help you make an informed decision based on your cooking style and preferences. Number 5. Blackstone 1542 Griddle Accessory Kit. This kit has everything you need for perfect griddle cooking. It includes spatulas, a scraper, and squeeze bottles for easy cleanup. These spatulas are perfect for flipping, mixing, and moving food around on your griddle. They're made of durable stainless steel. Easily remove stuck-on food and debris with this sturdy scraper. It's also made of stainless steel for long-lasting use. Keep water, oil, or your favorite sauces close at hand with these convenient squeeze bottles. One is even graduated for precise measurements. All the tools in this kit are top-rack dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Enjoy effortless cooking and cleaning. With this kit, you'll have everything you need for a fantastic griddle cooking experience. Get yours today. What we like. This kit has everything you need for griddle cooking, including spatulas, a scraper, and squeeze bottles. It's also super easy to clean, everything is top-rack dishwasher safe. If you're looking for convenience and a complete griddle solution, this is the one for you. What people say. They are a super, nice size to allow for awesome grilling. The scraper is extremely sturdy and does a great job. I'm finding all 5 pieces very useful. These are most of the basics, the only other essential for routine use is a pair of good tongs which I already had. I thought the plastic bottles wouldn't be needed but they are actually very handy and I use them often. The spatulas don't have beveled edges but I haven't found that to be any problem. They are large, sturdy, and dishwasher safe. These accessories elevated my Blackstone game. The spatulas are fantastic for cooking cut vegetables. The scraper is wide and efficient. Number 4. HOMENOTE Griddle Kit. It's made with thicker stainless steel and durable plastic handles, each with a hanging hole. Plus, it's all dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, just remember to wipe it dry to prevent rust. This kit has oversized spatulas perfect for flipping larger items like steaks and veggies, and regular-sized flippers ideal for burgers and pancakes. They even have a cutting edge for added versatility. You also get a chopper scraper for prepping food and cleaning the griddle, 2 squeeze bottles for oils and sauces, a recipe, and a handy storage bag. It has everything you need. It makes a fantastic gift for Father's Day, Thanksgiving, or Christmas. Grilling and camping enthusiasts will love this thoughtful present. This kit is perfect for creating amazing food for barbecues, parties, or everyday meals. Get ready to impress your family and friends. What we like. This set boasts a variety of tools for all your griddle needs, from oversized spatulas to a chopper and scraper. Made of strong stainless steel, it's built to last. If you need a comprehensive set with multiple tools for different tasks, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The variety of spatulas design sizes was great from hibachi, breakfast, to burgers. Very solid and the beveled edges on the smaller spatulas come in really handy getting under the food, cutting, and scraping. The fact is included a scraper, 2 bottles, recipe book, and case for everything was icing on the cake. Has all you really need, and probably more. The selection of 4 different spatulas gives you lots of options. The 2 squirt bottles are perfect, one for your oil, one for water. And then on top of it all they throw in a storage case. They're well made and edges are sharp enough to do a good job. Good variety of spats and a scraper, couple of squirt bottles too. Number 3. 15 PCS Blackstone Griddle Accessories Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for perfect grilling, from spatulas to basting brushes. It's designed to make your outdoor cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. Made from durable, food-grade stainless steel, these tools are built to last. They're sturdy enough for everyday use and easy to clean. The anti-rust treatment and convenient storage bag help extend their lifespan. Simply dry them after use and store them away for next time. This 15-piece set includes 2 spatulas, a slotted spatula, basting cover, tongs, and much more. It's the most complete kit on the market. The long, heat-resistant handles keep your hands safe, even when grilling at high temperatures. It's perfect for adults and kids alike. It's a practical and thoughtful gift for Father's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any special occasion. Give the gift of delicious, easy grilling. What we like. With 15 pieces, this kit has every tool imaginable for flat-top cooking, plus a convenient carry bag for storage and transport. The anti-rust treatment ensures a long lifespan. If you want the most complete and durable griddle kit available, look no further. What people say. Comprehensive kit, from spatulas and tongs to egg molds and a basting cover, this kit covers every grilling scenario imaginable. The inclusion of a carrying bag makes it easy to stay organized and transport the set for outdoor cooking adventures. Durable stainless steel build, the tools feel solid and sturdy in hand, with no signs of warping or bending even under high heat. Perfect for both Blackstone and camp grills. It comes as advertised and has all the tools you'll probably need, at least the ones you need to get started. The quality and feel is great, especially for the price. Number 2. Blackstone 5195 Griddle Spatula. This spatula is a game changer for your griddle cooking. Its stainless steel construction and beveled edges make it perfect for any task. It's made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and easy cleaning. You'll appreciate its strength and resilience. The beveled edges glide effortlessly under food, making flipping and serving a breeze. No more struggling with stuck-on items. The slip-resistant grip provides superior control, even when handling hot food. You'll feel confident and in command. The handle stays cool to the touch, protecting your hands from burns. Enjoy comfortable and safe griddle cooking. This spatula is the ultimate tool for any griddle enthusiast. Upgrade your cooking experience today. What we like. This spatula is simple, effective, and made from durable stainless steel with a heat-resistant handle. It's perfect for everyday use. If you prefer a straightforward, reliable spatula without extra features, this is a great option. What people say. This spatula is very well made and heavy duty. It doesn't bend easily like others when trying to smash or chop food while cooking. I also like the good rubber grip. This spatula is great for your griddle. I like how well it's built, it feels like solid metal steel. I like how well it's balanced, or I can flip things and balance things on there and have it feel clean. Very heavy duty and feels good in your hand. Weight is perfect for flipping burgers or anything else to toss on the Blackstone. No idea if they'll last long term, but they really do seem to be well made. Number 1. Bellemain Stainless Steel Spatula. It's made of 420 gauge stainless steel, ensuring durability and safety for all your cooking needs. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, this spatula is perfect for any kitchen. This spatula is designed to mix, lift, scrape, flip, and spread faster and more efficiently than ever before. Its unique design makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. Thin enough to flip delicate eggs, yet sturdy enough to chop peppers. It's the perfect all-in-one tool for any cooking task. The ergonomic wooden handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, even during extended use. It's scientifically balanced for easy handling. Made from high-quality, non-reactive materials, it's resistant to rust and corrosion. Plus, it's completely dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. It's ideal for use on cast-iron skillets, grills, griddles, and more. This spatula is a must-have for any home chef. What we like. This heavy-duty spatula features beveled edges for easy scraping and flipping, and a comfortable wood handle. It's built to withstand tough use. If you need a high-quality, long-lasting spatula for professional or serious home use, this is the one to choose. What people say. It is quite thick and substantial, but the edges are beveled and sharp enough to be useful but blunt enough to be safe. It does not bend or bow. This spatula has all of the earmarks of its predecessors that made them so durable, that made it possible for them to last for years of great performance. The steel is thick with a nice sharp bevel. It works great for flipping tots fries, roasted potatoes and veggies on steel cooking sheets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.